Okay, so hi everybody, thank you so much for coming out. We are CairWare. My name is Istvan, I'm in charge of operations. This is Paroma, who leads product, and Sam, who is responsible for business development. So I'm sure that you guys have all heard about the trash in our oceans, but have you ever considered the trash in our skies? Imagine that you're sitting on an airplane, the fasten the seatbelt sign has just been turned off, and the flight attendants are coming around to serve meals. Your tray and everything else on it is made out of plastic. What happens to this after you've finished your meal? It all gets incinerated. When considering that this is not only true for your meal, but everyone else's, it generates 3.6 million tons on a year-to-year basis. To put this in perspective, this is roughly equivalent to the amount of waste generated by the residents of New York City. Even more, this amount is set to double in the upcoming 15 years or so. We at CairWare are here to provide an alternative. Our solution is cost-effective and consists of two pillars. Number one, we provide airlines with a compostable tableware product. And number two, we create a mechanism that ensures that this waste is then disposed in an environmentally sustainable manner. The tableware, as you can see behind us, is made out of fully compostable material and is also lightweight, heat and water resistant, and custom designed to every airline's specific needs. Once the trash has been removed off the aircraft, it is placed in a secluded facility where we partner airlines with local composting businesses who then haul it away, and then it is used to create nutrient-rich soil. So I want to leave you with the value that CairWare provides airlines. We help them save money, save time, and save the planet.
Thank you very much. At CairWare, we offer an end-to-end solution. After carefully customizing our product based on the individual needs of customers, we source the raw materials from external manufacturers, mainly rice husk and bamboo. These products are then shipped to our warehouse, where our employees will ensure their distribution to the catering facilities, and from there, on board the aircraft. Once we're done with the trays on board, airline employees must only tip the contents of the tray into a compostable CairWare bag, and then place a reusable tray back into the trolley. Once off the aircraft, our local composting firms take over and ensure timely and sustainable disposal of this waste. From start to finish, CairWare is the key link in the value chain. At CairWare, as our name suggests, we care. We care about our customers, we care about our partners, and of course, we care about the environment. We care about our customers, so we ensure rigid quality checks on all of our products and ensure on-time delivery. As for our partners, we make sure all our products are ethically manufactured. We allow our employees the chance to become key partners in our business, and we provide employment opportunities for local composting firms. Finally, at the heart of our business and its mission is creating a greener and cleaner world for the class of 2050 and beyond. But why do we think this is viable? On the supply side, our manufacturers are ready to go. Furthermore, conversations with Angela Foster-Rice, the head of Environment and Sustainability at United Airlines, suggest that there is an immediate demand for sustainable waste management on aircrafts. They are just yet to be offered the correct product at the correct price. That's where we come in. I'm now handing over to Paroma to discuss the financial side of the business. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sam. I'm sure you would make Scotland very proud. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to show you in the next 2 minutes why our product is built on a strong financial foundation. Now, we see our primary customer segment as domestic passengers within the US traveling on premium airlines in economy class on transcontinental routes. Now, these are the routes where food is complimentarily served, and currently there are 6 airlines serving this market. Now, we will begin by launching a pilot on 2 routes, New York City LAX and New York City SFO, specifically on JetBlue. Hint, hint, ask us why later. After that, we will scale up by reaching out to the rest of the 5 airlines in that segment, including United, Virgin, Delta, American, and Alaska. And this is what will allow us to break even within our first 2 years. Now, so the current unsustainable plastic product on the market that airlines currently purchase is priced at 73 cents a unit. We offer a lower price by 10%, pricing our product at 65 cents a unit, and this includes not only the product, but also the service. However, the incentive to switch to CairWare goes far beyond. Our product is also lighter and cheaper to dispose. Now, for airlines, weight is money, and compost is cheaper than incineration. Now, we expect to break even on a variable cost basis within our first year, And by our second year, once we have acquired 5 more customers, we hope that we will break it even on a fixed cost basis and become profitable. Now we plan to begin by launching in the US because it is a close to mature market. However, as 3 international students, we see ourselves in a unique situation that allows us to place our company as a leader of sustainable market change, not only in the US, but also beyond, to countries where the aviation sector is booming, like India. Ladies and gentlemen, changes in mentality occur periodically in this sector, just like the ban on in-flight smoking, for example. We at CairWare are certain that the aviation industry is ripe for its next seismic shift, and we ask you to help us lead that charge. Thank you.